So my name is Jessica Hedman, and I'm the founder of Elnet Foundation, an organization that I started 4 years ago together with my husband, Tukicha Alamayketima, as a way to give back to society through the income of our company called Elnet Investment Holding Company, but the most well-known company being El Auto, that produces cars for the Lada drivers in Addis Ababa. It's truly one of our heartfelt projects, the mobile veterinary clinic. I am an animal lover, and I happened to see two horses that were standing on the roadside, their eyes bleeding, their body had several wounds, and I said, can I do anything to help them? This was before Elnet Foundation was started. And because in Elnet Foundation we work not only with people, but we also work with the environment and even the animals, we decided when the foundation was started, we're going to give services to the equine owners in Addis Ababa, even to the animals that have been abandoned by their owners due to sickness and other problems. So we wanted to give back to community, to society, by providing services for the equine owners so they can get affordable treatment. We have, since we started the new phase of the project, we have served about 200 equines across the city. We do wound treatment, we do vaccinations, we also do different kind of interventions to remove the ones that are injured, that are standing on the roadside, and to put them in a safe place like a sanctuary. And we are doing what we can. The needs are huge, but we're happy that even within these few weeks that we have had the mobile clinic up and running, we've been able to support about 200 equines in Addis Ababa. We are trying as much as possible to first and foremost educate the equine owners on the services we are providing, to ensure that their horses can know that they can know where they can find services for the horses. If they have a wound, if they have an eye problem, if they have a hoof problem and similar problems that they may encounter, that they know what time we are coming and that they know which place we are coming to, so that the services become very reliable. And in addition, we also use social media, where we are now trying to spread the word about our mobile veterinary clinic so that the public can even call us. We've already received a number of calls about equines that have been abandoned, and as much as possible we try to respond even within the same day or the following day, so that people know that they can rely on our veterinary services and that animals will not have to suffer in silence being abandoned on the streets.